Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, everybody? What's going on, family? We're gonna dive right into the riding today. Got a nice little adventure ahead of us. It is a hot day. It's gonna be in the 90s today. We're just chilling today. Oh wow, it is beautiful out. It is beautiful out. Like I said, it's a really hot one. How is everybody doing out there? I hope y'all are doing amazing. I want to take a second and just say thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Yo, 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 and we are back, we are back, we are back. Yep, so there's a lot of new videos coming soon, a lot of new content coming soon. Some stuff I'm very excited about. And lately I've been loving taking y'all on these rides with me. Been loving it. Got a nice little cruise. If y'all enjoy the moto vlogs, whatever you want to call them, whatever you want to call these, if you're enjoying them, please let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Okay, and we're back again, Yep, so had to grab a couple of things, gotta run some errands, so this is a beautiful little ride here. Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? And I am back. Mission complete. Just picked up a new vape I'm very excited about. If you watch my vape review videos, just know I'm about to drop a new one. I'm about to drop a new video. I'm very excited to get back home to record this. Very excited, very excited. A lot of people roll through those stop signs. Make sure everyone's stopping at those stop signs, like talking about all of us. Make sure we're all stopping at those. Okay, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched until this point, make sure to like, subscribe, follow, share with a friend, drop a comment down below. So much love and appreciation for y'all. I hope you guys all have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. If there's any videos you would like to see me do, if you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comments. I love reading all of your guys' comments, so if you have any questions for me, just make sure to drop that in the comments. So much love, everybody. I will talk to y'all soon. Peace.